Hi, and thank you for joining me. My name's Maya. I wanted to offer a really quick tutorial on how to use a jelly plate, acrylic paint, some sheet music, and you can trace or draw by freehand some art that you would like to see printed. Here you can see me using a sharpie pen. Don't worry, they do come off if you do the steps properly. And I'm just going to trace out some birds and freehand some poppy style flowers that I really enjoy. Again, using the Sharpie. The jelly plate is clean. There's a little bit of residue of baby oil from my last session, so it does have a little bit of an impact on the acrylic, but not one I'm super worried about. So here you see me using yellow heavy body acrylic, and I'm just applying the highlights first. When you do jelly printing in this fashion, you kind of have to reverse your order of application, starting with the line work first and then layering on your colors. So you can imagine it like painting a window. Here I'm adding blue and I'm using gold fabric paint. I want to see those accents on the top of the print, so they go on first. The only thing you need to have when you're using acrylic paint with jelly plate work is patience, because unlike ink, it doesn't dry as quick, so you need to layer and wait. It's a good effort if you're not a patient person to try it out once in a while. I know I could do a whole blooper video of me walking past the sheet drying over the last 24 hours. And that's key, is letting it dry. So here I am doing some spatter work on top of the layer just to add some interest. I'm still learning, still playing. And then I'm going to have to let this layer dry, just like it says. That's a gold sparkle paint pen that I was adding there. So that layer has since dried. Now I am taking my self-mixed, watered down, light colored house paint. I'm running low on supplies. We are stuck in the middle of a pandemic, and so I'm not really interested in going out and shopping, and I don't have an online situation happening right now. So back to the video. So here I am just putting it on as quickly as possible. I'm using my grandmother's rolling pin. If you have a brayering tool, that's the ideal tool to use. All you need is even a Coke can would work, but you need something you can roll that won't brush at the layers that you've dried underneath, because adding that latex layer or paint layer or matte medium to the very end reactivates everything. So there you saw me accidentally drop the plate with paint onto a sheet of music. However, you just keep moving. It didn't disturb what I had just done with the white latex. And then I press it firmly. Don't overwork it, because if some of your layers aren't dry underneath, you might push the white paint to the front, which isn't the end of the world. It just means more work when you're finished detailing the print. And now the key here is to turn it up, not face down, because it won't dry properly. So flip it so that the painted side is to the air and leave it alone. 24 hours later, you will be able to slowly and gently peel your print back off the jelly plate. As you can see, if you leave it alone for the entire time, it all comes off. I hope that gives you some idea and new ways to approach jelly plates. Thanks for watching.